continuing on, these are the markers that I was talking about, the furniture scratch markers. If you have to repair a clock, it might have something wrong with it, some nicks. Um, Sometimes the nicks give it its uh, special quality, but most people want them to shine back up. And if you have to move the dial because of everything that you tried, you cannot get the arbor in the center of the hand. If you have to take the dial off and put it back on, you might have to use some of this furniture marker to go around where the dial used to be to fill it in so it's not as noticeable. Now I'm ready to put my screws in the back of the clock, and this is again why I have a magnetic screwdriver to help me do stuff like this. I'll see if I can do it on camera with one hand. Ta-da! You don't want to tighten them up just yet. You want to put a couple in, turn the clock back over to look at the center arbor to make sure that it is not touching the dial. And in this case, it is touching the dial a little bit. So I might have to adjust it.